rice is stiff and not at all mashy. It has really cooked very well. The chicken too is cooked really well. We have come out after 3 long months to just take a ride. We'll not get down from the car. Look at the street here, the road, it's looking really beautiful. The streets are empty now, but the drive is awesome. And see, look at this. We're going again past the lake, and it's a beautiful sight over here. We even go for boating over here, and there is this Ukwan festival which takes place during January month during the winter, and it's really crowded during that time. Hey, I'm back from my drive and it was wonderful. Wait, let me close the door. I have gone out after 3 months, just imagine. Now I'm feeling really hungry, and normally I always have food from outside after such a long drive, but today I cannot go out and eat, so I'm going to make chicken biryani today. I'm craving for chicken biryani. It's past lunchtime. I have to make a quick chicken biryani, so let me go to the kitchen and make it. Hello everyone, just now I'm starting to make biryani, which is a very quick biryani. I'm not going to make an elaborate one, but it is going to be really tasty as well, even though it is, a quick biryani. So I'll first keep a pot on my stove and I'll put 2.5 cups of water to this and add my rice to this for cooking. So first I'll cook rice, and I have to cook this only halfway, not completely. So I'll cook my rice halfway. So to this pot I'll even have to add a few cloves. This is also called lavang. So a few cloves I'll add. I will add the cinnamon stick. It's this big. So elaichi, which we also call cardamom, to this pot. So the rest of the spices we'll add along with the chicken. I've added 2 more glasses of water, as you can see. So look at this. It should be this much. The water and the rice. The water should be more and the rice should be less. Now I'll add salt. I'll stir all of this together like this and let it cook. But I will not cook this rice completely. I'll let it cook halfway and let the rest of the cooking will take place along with the chicken. So while my rice is cooking, let us marinate the chicken. I have half a kg of chicken over here. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of salt to this, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder to this, 3 teaspoons of paprika powder or red chili powder. I will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. This is turmeric or haldi powder. 3 teaspoons of yogurt to my chicken. This biryani masala to my marinade. Roughly it is 2 teaspoons of biryani masala. So we will give this a good mix. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder or dhania powder. So let us mix this very well and keep it aside for a few minutes to marinate. As long as our rice is cooking over there, let us keep it aside and let it get marinated well. Look at this, our rice is already boiling. So at this stage we have to stop the cooking and we have to strain out the water. So let us do that. We'll stop. So look at this, our rice is halfway cooked, and look at the texture of the rice. It is not completely cooked. It is still pending. The cooking is still pending, so we have to leave it at this. Okay, in this step we have to add clarified butter to the half cooked rice. We are adding 2 tablespoons of clarified butter to our rice. Meanwhile we'll do the rest of the preparation. I'll be adding a teaspoon 2 teaspoon of oil to this. I have chopped some onions, so I'll be adding all the onions to this pan and I will fry it till it becomes golden brown in color. You should at least chop 3 big onions. If the onions are small, you can chop 4 to 5 onions. The onions have to be chopped in this kind of long shape. It should not be finely chopped, it should be long. Look at this, it should become brown like this. So we remove it from the flame. Be careful, strain all the excess oil and remove only the onions out. And don't let the oil come out. We'll use this excess oil to fry our potatoes. So we have some cubed potatoes over here. We are going to fry this too in the oil. So as the potatoes are frying, what we'll do is we'll start making the main preparation of biryani. So our chicken has been marinated. It was kept for marination for almost 10 minutes. It's already, it's become nice and succulent after marinating. So I have kept a different pot over here and I will be adding 2 tablespoons of clarified butter to this. This is clarified butter or ghee. I'll be adding 2 big spoons of clarified butter. To this I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil too. So 1 tablespoon of oil I have added along with 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. To this pot I will add a cinnamon stick. This is a cinnamon stick this big. So break it down and add it. I will add a few cloves. So don't put too much spices in it. Too much spices spoils the taste. So it should always be in a limit. So I am adding 3 cardamoms over here. So we have 3 cardamoms. So I'll be adding this. We have this big ginger. So to this we'll add some ginger. Cut them into juliennes and add them. So for any biryani, a lot of ginger and garlic is really essential. It tastes really good if you add enough ginger and garlic. To this I will add a few green chilies and 3 or 4 pods of garlic. Now I have some roughly chopped onions. I'll be adding a few roughly chopped onions to this. Look at this. I have peeled 2 onions, so I'll be adding both the onions to this. Now all the marinated chicken goes in and I'll have to fry it for at least 10 minutes in the oil and let all the flavors of the rawness of the chicken go away while frying it in the oil. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste to this while it is frying. So I'll stir my chicken very well and I'll let it fry till all the rawness goes away. So I'll have to keep doing this for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Look at this. My chicken has been cooking for the last 10 minutes and I have been frying it. Now to this you can add a little bit of salt for a little taste, because you have after putting all the masalas you have not added, so little bit of salt just for taste. You can taste the gravy and you can adjust the salt. And now look at this. The chicken is frying away. It is cooking with all the water. We have added 1 cup water to this so that the cooking process of the chicken takes place. So now at this stage we will cover the pot and let the chicken cook for another 10 minutes. So I'm back. My chicken is almost cooked for 10 minutes and I have I'll add a little bit of tomato puree, 1 teaspoon, 1 ladle of tomato puree to this. In the marination, if you do not want to add yogurt, you can always squeeze a lemon into the marinade and you don't have to add yogurt. So in place of yogurt, you can add while marinating, you can add a squeeze of half a lemon. So that also would do along with the other spices. So always remember, your biryani gravy shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be too much, otherwise when you put your rice it will become all mashy. Your rice will get overcooked and the biryani rice won't be all standing out like it should look. So look at the gravy over here. This should be the consistency of the gravy. Now to this I will add rings of tomatoes like this. So I'll arrange it like this, like as a layer. This should be layered like this, in this way. Now over this I will add all the fried potatoes which I just made. A layer of fried potatoes. And now a layer of fried onions which we prepared in the beginning. So we'll all arrange it all completely, spreading it out throughout our biryani. Over this we will add our half cooked rice. So I have arranged all the rice over here over the chicken, and now I'll add some clarified butter on top of this rice. I'll add the remaining onions on top of this. I'll cover this with a silver foil, with an aluminium foil, sorry, and I'll let it cook for another 5 minutes. The steam should not go out. All the steam should be trapped inside the jar over here. And always remember, while doing this procedure, the flame should be really low. The stove should be kept in the lowest at this point of time, and it should not be on a high flame, and it should be really covered. And you can even keep something hard on top of this so that the steam doesn't go out. So everything should be covered like this and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now let's check our rice if it has cooked properly. So let's see. Be careful while removing this. Oh, look at this. Our biryani is cooked. Look at the color. It's looking so beautiful, so delicious. Now spoon all the rice outside like this and mix your biryani like this. The rice is stiff and not at all mashy. It has really cooked very well. The rice is really it has not lost its shape. Just take a look at this. It is all in its perfect shape and it is looking really well cooked. So it's time to eat our biryani now. The chicken too is cooked really well. Biryani is ready and I have served it along with some salad, some mango salad, as well as some tomatoes and onion salad. So look at this, the rice has really come out very well and it is looking so delicious. And this was prepared in just 45 minutes, and that's very quick for a biryani, and it tastes really amazing. You can even add some nuts to this. Today I have not added because I did not want to eat anything heavy, but you can always add some nuts to this. So go on, make this biryani and happy eating.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple, Simply City.